Welcome to my page, to my channel, and this is your health and wellness coach from Slim Trim Lifestyle, day 6. So, something going on. I'm just going to update you after 1 week. What's my weight update? But till now, I have finished with my morning bliss, and my water is also ready to have after my breakfast. Finished with my trim collagen, and let's begin with my breakfast. I am going to have today boiled egg with some of the vegetables, and I'm going to saute all those vegetables. I want to eat today something very hot. So let's prepare. Let's begin with the breakfast. So I have my here two eggs, some mushroom, some zucchini, some onions. So I am going to saute first. See, there is no oil. If you want, you can also add a little of olive oil or little of your desi ghee. So just going to toss my onions. Egg I'm going to add at the last because it may stick sometimes. So let these vegetables leave their little moist so that it becomes little moisture in the fry pan. One thing very important, if you like to have tea or coffee, anything with your breakfast, just try to avoid at least 20 to 25 minutes minimum, because you are eating so many nutritional stuff, and with that when you're having your caffeine, so these nutrition stuffs loses their benefit in our body. So at least wait for 25 to 30 minutes, but don't make it 1 hour. After 30 minutes, if you want to have your tea, coffee, caffeine drink, whatever, just have it like maximum within 15 minutes after your breakfast, because again after that your body is on the, like your stomach is getting empty, and also in the empty stomach caffeine is not good for our body. So just this is a very small healthy tip for many of the people, and even if you are suffering with iron problem in your body, for those people it's really very good, because I have this problem and I got this tip from my doctor that with my any of the food I should avoid my coffee or any of the caffeine drink. So I'm not going to overcook my vegetables, as I like to eat it raw. So vegetables are almost done. In this, if you want, at this time, if you want, you can add any of the spices, or just I'm adding here Himalaya salt. If you want, you can add little turmeric, as it's also antiseptic, and little of your chili powder. If you want, you can also add fresh chilies, some coriander. I have to go for chopping as everything is closed here. And I'm going to add my egg. Switch off your flame, and see a different breakfast with your vegetables are ready. So does it look like a diet food breakfast? I hope so. No. See, it's ready and I can enjoy my breakfast. Today I'm going to have my buckwheat chilla, which I have this batter, which is my leftover from yesterday. So whenever I'm making, I make a little more, so that whenever me or my kids are hungry, they can have this one. And with that, I'm going to add some radish in this. But with the radish, don't forget to use some ajwain, because this is really very good for the digestion, and some people, they also get a little bloating after having the radish. So I'm going to add my radish here only, and I have grated some radish. If you want, you can mix in this only. If you want, you can spread some on top of this one. So this, you have the protein here, good protein, lot of protein, and you are having your fiber here, the vegetables. So add all together. My pancake maker is warm, is hot now. You can spread it also on top. I feel that it's going to give you more thinner pancake. This is going to be a little thick, like paratha, you can say, like what we say, mooli paratha. So this is something like your mooli paratha only. And I hope this 2 piece will be sufficient for me. And with this, if you want, you can have some slice of cucumber or some small bowl of vegetables. That's also enough for you, and I hope that will be satisfying you. Or else, if you want, you can have a small bowl of your yogurt, add some salt, cumin seeds, cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, and that will be a good raita for you. So I'm going to enjoy my lunch and will show you what for the dinner. For snacks, I have got some fresh strawberries. So this will be my snacks between my lunch and my dinner again, 2 times. So you can have around like this much is enough for you for 1 time snack. If you feel a little more, you can eat also, not any problem. So this will be like my snacks for complete day, 2 times. If you want, you can add 2-3 pieces more. You can have apple or any other snacks, but this is my snack for today. For dinner, I am going to make some cauliflower rice. So I have grated some of the cauliflower and I have just, you can say, I put in microwave for 2 minutes so that this water can be absorbed and it can become a little dry, so it's easier to make cauliflower rice. Today for my dinner, I'm going to have cauliflower rice with our dal so that it can help me for my craving for chawal and dal or rice. So dal is ready. My dal is a normal dal what we eat, orange and yellow dal mixed one, and I have boiled my dal. I've added all spices, whatever you want, some onions, some tomato. That's it. I've just boiled my dal and nothing else. If you want in that only, while boiling your dal, I just add some curry leaves, also some of the cumin seeds, chili flakes, some your dry chilies, everything all together. I just mix all together and I just boil it out. And I don't overcook also the dal. I just try to make, if you're making the pressure cooker, just 1 whistle. And if you're making in the pot, then just it's going to take more time. So just normal dal, and let's begin with the... So I have took my non-stick fry pan. I have not greased this pan. If you want, you can grease it with any oil or whatever if you want it, little of ghee. Otherwise, you can just cook it like this only. If you have a good non-stick fry pan, I'm just going to add some of the cumin seeds, like exactly how we make tarka. Roast it little, and then this all cauliflower. I've just added 1 chili in that. I've just cut it, and some of your curry leaves. If you want, you can add little turmeric, little I've added, little salt. Basically, I just need to warm it. Basically, I don't have to overcook because I have cooked this for 2 minutes in my microwave normally. So now you just need to saute it so that that smell of that raw cauliflower can go away. That's it. And it's going to give a really good feeling like a rice and dal, chawal dal. And if you want, you can have a little of achar also together. See, my rice is ready. Just 2 minutes Maggi. As we said, 2 minutes ka Maggi, 2 minutes ka Maggi. So it's the same, like if you prepare yourself in your mind that what I have to eat. So it's just going to take you 2 minutes to get a good healthy food. And